Hey guys, this is Drawing with Danielle and we're working on a cat's face. Circle is king, so we're starting with that. Just a rough circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. We'll then flesh out the cat so we have an idea of where the eyes and everything else goes. At this point, we'll start to correct the overall form, start figuring out where some details go. More placement lines to make sure everything stays relatively even. It's good to flip the drawing and check for uniformity. Drawing tends to gravitate to one side. I'm right-handed, so that's where my drawings tend to lean. Alright, looking a little better. More lines. Look, you can never be too careful. Okay, the transform tool, or Control T, is one of your greatest allies. You can use it to alter the shape of your piece as I just did. Drawing in layers also takes away some of the pressure. You can make a new layer to draw on top of your rough draft, just lower the opacity of the first layer. You can cheat a little with programs like Photoshop. No more drawing twice for you. Sorry, pencil users. You still have to do the work. Add more details to bring the cat to life. Add some lazy shading and a splash of gray for the eyes. And you're done.